So over here you can see that I have a project and there's a problem in this project. If I were to go around onto the clip area right here, it says media is offline. So this happens when you're actually working around with a file, and then let's say for example you have used different sources of media and you change around the location of the source media or rename it out or rename it out its main folder. So if I were to go around under project assets, then you can see these icons right here. So that means the media is not there, it's not located. The Premiere Elements is not able to locate out the media right here, but the information of those media are still here. So what you can do is you can actually click on this media right here, just like this, and then go around onto edit and then click on locate media. So once you do that, what happens is that it opens up the Explorer window, as you can see right here, so that you can navigate out manually to find the particular file. So I'm going to go around over here and then I'm going to go around onto video. So seems like the folder videos was changed to video. It was renamed to video, so it couldn't find the file. So I'm going to go around over here and then I'm going to select out the footage right here. So now this is the footage right here. As you can see right here, the file name matches and you can go around and select it out right here. Once you do that, you can see that it is added in and you can see the footage right here below it. You can go around over here and then locate this as well. So I'm just going to double click and that opens up the locate media as well. So I'm just going to select walking right here and click on select right here, just like this. So once you do that, it's not the video, as you can see right here. So I'm going to select out walking just like this and click on select right here. So if the file name does not match, the len does not match, then it does not actually go around and then does anything. So I'm just going to go around and double click right here and then I'm going to go around and choose this out right here. So I'm just going to go around and choose this and click on select right here and then the file get imported, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can go around and then locate out media that are offline when you're working around with the project inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.